If you're looking to pair and connect your Beats Flex Wireless Earphones to your Windows 10 or 11 laptop computer or PC for online meetings or calls, it's easier than you think. So in this quick beginner's tutorial, I'll walk you through the process and include some bonus tips at the end of this video to help you avoid any sound or mic issues. So keep watching till the end. Now first we're going to take it into pairing mode. Whether it's connected to another device, whether it's turned on or off, doesn't matter. Just press and hold on this power button and keep holding on till you see this flashing white LED. Now on your Windows computer, we're going to go to settings. From there, we're going to go to the devices or Bluetooth section, depending which version you're using. From there, to add the Bluetooth device to Bluetooth. And if your device is on pairing mode properly, it will show up as Beats Flex in this nearby devices list. Just simply click on it to connect. But you are not done yet, my friend. From there, you can redirect yourself to sound settings or right-click on your sound icon. And here, just make sure it's selected as an output device, otherwise you will get no sound through your earphone. And then if you want, you can scroll down this section and you can also select your Beats Flex as an input device if you want to use it as a mic or join phone calls or meetings. And that's pretty much how you can connect your Beats Flex to any Windows computer. Thanks for watching.